Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, I think you had studied the geography lesson. So, moreover, we can go slowly. For the test, we are having two portions, history lesson 1 and geography lesson 1. Okay. And now we are going to see the next lesson from the civics. Okay. From the civics. That is equality. That is equality. Equality is very important in all the cases, is it no? So in home also, if you are fighting with each other, there is no peace of mind with the members, is it or not? So equality is the main thing, not only for the family but also for the total country and totally all over the world. Okay, so simply we are saying equality means, moreover, there is no variation between one member to other member, all are equal. That is the main meaning of equality, is it no? See here, first we can see the introduction. See, before we are going to see the equality, we can see over what is meant by inequality. What is meant by inequality? So according to the nature, moreover, there are totally crores and million crores of people are there in our world, is it no? So whether they are looking same? No. Whether they are looking in the same height, same color, same talent, same physical? No, they are mostly different in everything. Moreover, according to the country itself, India, we can say that the physically people are looking different. Moreover, the American people, they are looking different. And Africa, they are looking different. So according to the country itself, we are in the different mode of physical birth, is it no? See, nature has made the unequal in color, height, talent, physical strength, etc., is it no? So on that thing, moreover, we are variation in the basic of nature itself. From the birth itself, we are in the different of the nature inequality. So moreover, inequality means we can divide it into two types. One is the nature inequality, man-made inequality. So in the nature inequality only, I had saying that moreover the color, height, talent, physical strength, appearance, everything will be unequal in nature. Okay. See, the nature inequalities cannot be rectified. We cannot able to rectify the nature inequality because it's a birth. It's a general thing in the birth itself. Even the twins looking like the similar are not equal in their abilities, is it no? Is it or not? So their dislikes will be vary. Even the twins itself. Okay. So man-made inequalities are there. Man-made inequalities are there. So it is on the basis of caste, money, religion, etc. Caste, creed, money, religion, according to their status. So rich, poor, high caste, low caste, high religion, low religion, caste. So everything can be rectified. So these nature inequality cannot be able to rectify, but man-made inequality can able to rectify. It is the universal thing. It was accepted that people are different in their capacity, ability, attitude, but at the same time, it is also accepted that they should be given equal opportunities for the development of their skill and talent. Okay. See, in the classroom, moreover, we can see that moreover 30 students are there means some 10 students, they are very brilliant in the education level. Or remaining 20 students, remaining 10 students, they will be in the moderate level of their education. And remaining 10 students will be there. They will be very poor level in the education. But while we are seeing them, we can observe that they are having the talent in other activities. Moreover, for the what we can say, for games or drawing or anything. Okay, they will have some different talent. Okay, so we need to give them equal opportunity. That is the main thing. even opportunity. So if there is any variation in the nature inequality or man-made inequality, we should see that people in a equality of nature. Okay, it is accepted that they should be given equal opportunities for their development of their skill and talent. That is the main thing. That is the inequality. So what are the two types of inequality? Nature inequality, man-made inequality. Okay, nature inequality, man-made inequality. Now we are going to see that what is meant by equality. Equality is ensuring individual or groups that are not treated differently. Equality means it's ensuring individual or group that are not treated differently or less favorably on the basis of specific protected characteristics, including areas of race, gender, disability, religious or belief, sexual orientation and age. Simply, if we need to say the equality means they should not treated in a partial manner. So how? When we should not treated in a partial manner? That means according to their characteristics, including the areas of race. Okay, gender, male or female, disability. So even though if there is 4 brothers in the family, 2 brothers will be very brilliant, they can having the ability to do the work. Other 2 children, they have no ability to do the work. Whether we can able to relay them the 2 members? No. Is it no? So we need to give the equal preferences to them. Okay, so that is the disability. We should not see the partiality of disability. Then religious, there is no variation of Hindu, Muslim or Christian. There is no variation of Hindu, Muslim or Christian or belief. Okay, or belief, that means all are equal to the caste or creed. Okay, sexual orientation. Sexual orientations. So male can do one thing, female cannot able to do one thing. There is nothing. We should treat them in a equal basis. And age. So in nowadays we are giving more preferences to the old age people, is it no? So why means after 60 years they cannot able to do anything. So we need to regret them. That is nothing. Okay. So equality is ensuring individual or groups that are not treated differently or less favorably in the basis of specific protected characteristics, including areas of race, gender, disability, religious or belief, sexual orientation and age. Okay, sexual orientation and age. So what is meant by equality? We all are equal. We should give them equal preferences to them without any partiality or less favorable. So what are the basic of specific protected characteristics? We should not see the partiality. It's included the areas of race, gender, disability, religious or belief, sexual orientation and age. Okay, so race means moreover it's an physical thing, black or white, height or short. So they are the African, these are the Americans. There is no areas of race. Gender, male or female, disability according to their ability. Okay, religious or belief, Hindu, Christian or Muslim, there is no partiality. Sexual orientation, only female can do or only male can do, that is the thing. And age, okay, so above 60 years means they cannot able to do anything, there is no partiality thing. Okay ma, that is the equality. So again I am reading the equality. Equality is ensuring individual or group that are not treated differently or less favorably in the basis of specific protected characteristics including the areas of race, gender, disability, religious or belief, sexual orientation and the age. Understand? Okay. So why this equality is important? Why the equality is important? You all study one story in this small age, is it no? There will be 5 cows in a farm. Okay, so these 5 cows always fight with each other. So this is very positive thing for a lion. It come earlier, and moreover it will watch all the activities of the 5 cows. So after that what it will be do? It will be eat one by one. Okay, so after that the 3 cow only will be remain. So they will make over that we should be in equal, so that only the lion cannot able to eat us. After that they will be in a equal in a nature, is it no? Same thing. Okay, see, if we fight with each other, the equality will not be. Already before the 100 years back, so because of inequality in the India, Bharat Nadu only, the other people of Portuguese, British peoples, they came to our India and they ruled the India very easily, because there is no equality with the Indians. Okay, so equality is a powerful moral and political ideal. Powerful moral and political ideal. Okay, so if we are equal in nature, no one can able to defeat us. Not only in the family level, as a all over the national level, all over the Tamil Nadu. So moreover, our India is equal in one thing. I will support that, because so if there is any fighting with the Karnataka and moreover our Tamil Nadu itself, so all over according to our nation, if they are thinking then all according to our nation, so moreover we are fighting equal with the other countries, isn't no? So equality is a powerful moral and political ideal. All human beings have equal worth. All human beings have equal worth, is it or not? So according to they are poor, their value is very high. Whether it is no, every human being having the equal value, we should respect them. Okay, then see, it's inspired and guided the human society for the many centuries, is it no? The concept of equality invokes the idea that all the human beings having the equal worth regardless of their caste, color, gender, race or nationality. There is no preference of Kerala, there is no preference of Tamil Nadu, there is no preference of Andhra or Karnataka. Every state is equal according to our nation, is it no? So each state, each people, they are having the equal worth. We need to respect them. Okay, the democratic ideals are meaningful and effective. See, democratic ideals, what are they? Liberty, equality, etc. Is it no? So democratic ideals are meaningful and effective. When? Only when they are implemented with the justice. Okay, democratic ideals are meaningful and effective only when they are implemented with the justice. That is the main importance of the equality. So understanding the importance of equality and diversity is very important. Okay ma. So what are the importance? Equality is a powerful moral and political ideal. So all human beings have the equal worth. Democratic ideals are meaningful and effective. Okay, so up to this we had seen over in this lesson. Okay, so first whatever things we had seen that Inequality. Okay, inequality is divided into two types. One is the nature inequality and another one is a man-made inequality. So nature inequality means by the birth and by the nature itself we are having the preference of color, height, talent, physical strength, etc. according to one state to another state or one country to another country. According to the traditions also we are in the different of nature. Okay, man-made inequality. So this inequality is made by the human beings only. That is a caste, creed, money, religion, status, everything. Okay. And meaning of equality. What is meant by equality? Equality is ensuring individual or groups that are not treated differently or less favorably in the basis of specific protected characteristics including areas of race, gender, disability, religious or belief, sexual orientation and age. Okay, so what are the importance of equality? Equality is a powerful moral and political ideal. So all human beings have the equal worth. Democratic ideals are meaningful and effective. These are the importance of the equality. Okay, just read the lesson up to this and just study what is meant by equality. Okay, just also study the backward lessons, everything. Okay, ma, we can see over in the next class. Thank you.